Okay, good morning, everyone. My name is Mr. Martin Bamidele. As you all know, we are still talking about performance direction. In the last video, I spoke expressively on performance direction, and I gave some names in Italian, and I gave you the meaning of those names. We are still continuing on performance direction. Let's go ahead now. The next one in music, you always see something that they call lento. Lento. It means slow. Play the music slow. If you see mezzo means half. Half, that's what it means. If you see mezzo forte, that is moderately loud. You know, I told you in the first video on performance direction that forte means loud. So if you now see mezzo forte, that means play the music moderately or mid loud, not too loud, not too quiet. If you see mezzo piano, that is moderately soft. If you see moderato, play this music moderately, like mid tempo. Then when it comes to loudness or being quiet, let it just be in the middle. That's what it means, moderato. If you see anything in music called allegro moderato, that means play this music moderately quick. You know, I told you that allegro is quick in music. So you have allegro moderato, that means play the music moderately quick. The next one is piano. Whenever you see piano in music, it means that you should play the music moderately soft. Moderately soft. If you see pianissimo, they always represent it with PP because of they just put PP. People understand that they are talking about pianissimo. It means play this music very soft. That is what pianissimo means. If you see a rallotendo or ral, you don't usually write the full, they write something like this. R-A-L-L. That means the music is getting gradually slow. Maybe you are about finishing a piece of music. You just see something like ra. That means we are winding down. You're playing the music, let it be getting gradually slow. That is what it means. The next one is ritenuto. It means hold this music back. Let the music be held back. That is what it means. Then staccato. This is very popular music. It means the music is detached. It's detached. It's not flowing. Like I can say, okay, play that music staccato wide. That means I detach the music. I'm not allowing it to flow. That is what staccato means. And the last one is tempo. We all are used to this word, tempo. What it means is actually an Italian word. What it means in music is speed or time. The speed or time of the music is a tempo. And you can hear an instructor, you just shout, or a conductor, her tempo. That means you are playing off the tempo. It's telling you to play the music in time. Play it in time. That's what a tempo means. So, and that's what we have for you today on our short musical tip from M&E. I hope to see you in the next video. Thank you so very much.